This is Ben Goertzel, the CEO of SingularityNET and the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. I want to talk to you about the BGI Nexus funding round, the Beneficial General Intelligence Nexus funding round that we've launched a couple of days ago. The AI field is advancing incredibly rapidly. We don't yet have any generally intelligent systems with the scope and power of the human brain, let alone with superhuman capability, but it's seeming increasingly plausible that during the next few years, we may well make that breakthrough and get to human level and superhuman AGI. And if this happens, what's extremely critical that these first AGI systems we create be compassionate, warm-hearted, broadly beneficial toward humans and other sentient beings. And this is something where we all need to work together to increase the odds that this is how it comes about. And that this is really the purpose and mandate of this BGI Nexus funding round. We want to fund a few projects of a technical nature that are working toward beneficial AGI and toward building a compassionate and abundant future for all of us with more and more powerful general intelligence systems. So we're giving away in this initial BGI Nexus funding round $500,000 US. The team leaders from each of the winning proposals, determined by a mixture of expert reviews and community voting by the overall BGI community, will be brought to an event called the BGI Summit and Unconference, which will be in Istanbul in May 27th of this year, to present their winning projects. At this event in Istanbul, we will all put our heads together to figure out the right focus and structure for a larger BGI Nexus funding round to be held afterwards. For now, this is already pretty interesting. We opened submissions for these grants on February 10th. The proposal round is open until February 24th, so you've got some time left to submit your proposals. I would encourage you, if you have any creative ideas about what sort of a software project might help work toward beneficial AGI, take a little time and submit a proposal. The community may well see value in some of the amazing things you're doing. You can look at the BGI Collective website, bgicollective.singularitynet.io. You can find details on the community voting and the sorts of projects and process that we're looking at here. But I'm really excited to be getting the ball rolling on this. In a way, it's a relatively small thing compared to the massive amounts of funding going into commercial and military AI right now. On the other hand, what we're looking at doing is seeding a movement, right? There's 8 billion people on the planet, and the more people that we can pull into the movement to create beneficial, decentralized AGI that's doing its incredible thinking for the good of all of us. I mean, the more people we can pull into this movement, the more likely we are to get a beneficial outcome. This modest initial BGI Nexus funding round and the larger ones that are to come, we're hoping these can kindle more and more practical activity among more and more of the 8 billion people on the planet toward bringing about beneficial general intelligence. Please take a look at the BGI Collective site, consider submitting your own proposal, and come to our event in Istanbul, or join us online if you can't make it face-to-face. Now is the time when we need to pull all our efforts together toward making artificial general intelligence beneficial for humanity.